Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 4 places that you can get involved with and do transcribing or transcription and make anywhere up to $1,000 per week. So you're going to want to sit back and relax and catch all the details of these 4 places that I'm going to show you here. And I'm going to get you jump started into it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. First of all, we're going to get the to-dos out of the way here, and starting off with, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos, what we do here is anything to do with making money online, how-to videos and affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video as well, because I'm always trying to bring money-making ways into your life to bring financial freedom and time freedom more and more into your lives. That's what we do here on this channel. And if you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed yet, well, there ain't no better time to do it than right now while you're thinking about it. Just reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, well, with all that out of the way, let's get straight into this video. We're going to come over here, as you can see, to our Opera browser, and this is I'm going to show you 4 sites today which you can make up to $1,000 per week in this video here today. And I'll just go over one of the sites to start with here, just through the details of it, because they're all basically the same thing, and it's just a matter of getting signed up and becoming a transcriber for each of these sites. Alrighty? Well, so first of all, transcribing is fast and accurate transcriptions. I mean, there's nothing easier than that. Most of all these 4 sites I'm going to show you, they have up to 5 to 10 minute audios that all you got to do is listen to the audio and just type it out just as you hear it. I mean, there's nothing more simpler than that. It's just as easy as that to make this kind of money. Alright, so as we scroll down here, this particular site here, and it's called Transcriptionme. You see it there. Look up here in the address bar. I recommend that you guys write these addresses down on a piece of paper so that you can come to them, or type them into your notepad or something like that and save them. Alright, it's Transcriptionme.com here. And then what we'll do is scroll down through here. This is what businesses, companies, individuals, universities, all types of industries that these places do transcription for. Alrighty, and comes down here, talks about here some of the industries: technology, consulting, market research, medical, regular translating into different languages, and education, such as universities and schools and things. You can choose they can choose a service or whatever: speech recognition, translation, or transcription, and so on and so forth. And here's some of the brands that this Transcriptionme partners with, and you see some of these are probably recognizable to most of you: Oracle, Harvard University, Genesis, Facebook, a lot of Cisco here, a lot of different Fortune 500 companies here that works with this particular company, Transcriptionme. Alright, and then they can get started today and get signed up and have their work transcribed for them. So what you want to do is, you get here, is you want to come down here all the way to the bottom of the site, and right down here under this category right here where it says for transcriptionists, you can click right here to become a transcriptionist, or up here at the top you see where my arrow is right here. But what we want to do is we want to see how much money we can make, right? That's what this is all about, how much money you can make doing this work. So I'm going to click on monetize your downtime right here. It brings us over here to this page, and it says become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy or that simple. Top rated best work from home site, which, by the way, all of these sites, guys, can be done from anywhere in the world, and 3 of them out of the 4 are free in terms of getting started with. I'll show you that here a little bit later. Now, This can be done, like I said, anywhere in the world, and has been recommended by certain blogs here, popular blogs on the internet. And it says, what we have to offer, we pay more than anyone, it says here. It says we have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200. The average monthly earning is $250. So if you take a average between those two, let's just say $550, that might be a little bit low, but you could start out at $250 and work your way up to a total of $200 per month, and on weekly basis that would be $550 per week, just on this one website alone. But stick around, keep watching with me, because we got 3 other ones to go here. Alright, now and then it comes down, this particular site has growth and learning opportunities. The more you learn and the better you get at this, the more money you can make with it. Alrighty, and then they have no experience or upfront investment. It doesn't cost anything, and you don't need any experience to do this work on this site. All you need is have regular payouts. You just doesn't cost a penny, and you just need a reliable internet and computer to get started here, right? Has freedom and flexibility, since you work from the comfort of your home whenever you want, how much you want to work. This is not an employee type of work here. This is basically like independent contractor, so to speak, or just working with this company. And it says transcribe short 1 to 2 minute clips. Some of them are 5 to 10 minutes, some are 1 to 2, just anywhere, but usually not longer than about 10 minutes. And it's just that simple. You just type out what you hear, is all you do, and then submit it back to the company and get paid. And so on and so forth. And our program and payment plan, they says we pay regularly and securely via PayPal. So you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account for this site. And it's recommended that you, when you sign up to join as a transcriptionist here, that you use the same email that you did when you signed up with PayPal. So that keeps everything congruent, right? It makes it better for you and the company. Alrighty? So that's the first site right there. Transcriptionme.com. Make sure you write that address down and save it so you can come to this website. Second site that we're going to talk about here today, guys, is this site right here. It's 1888typeitup.com. You see it up there in the address bar. 1888typeitup.com. Write that down and save that. Over here at Transcription Jobs, we know that transcription requires hard work and skill. And they want people that are good at typing and have a little bit of already done this. In other words, you have a little bit of experience with it. And it says here, but we're always looking for new talent as well. So again, this can be done anywhere in the world. And then talks about right here, and you can click on apply and sign up with this website. Their hiring status, it says here, we are currently hiring. See that? As of yesterday, February 21st. It's updated yesterday. And then it talks about they got some helpful tips here. They got a blog that you can read on tips about headphones and foot pedals. A lot of these guys, these websites, guys, they want you to learn more. They want you to become better at this. The more better you are at it, of course, the more money you make, right? Here's their transcription pay rate here. It's, as you see, the number one most frequently asked question by applicants is how much do you pay? And it says, although our focus is on quality and accuracy, we understand that practically the practicality of knowing whether our transcription work will be worth your while. Our transcriptionists make $30 to $180 per audio hour, guys. So if you take on the other side over here, you take an average of $550, and you take this site right here and you average about another $100 per week on here, that's already, you're up to almost $700 right there. Or even some of these can be anywhere from $30 to $180 depending on the type of transcription that is being asked for. So some jobs may be 30, some may be 180, some may be 150, so on and so forth. So now you're up to about, say, around 750 between these two sites here. Alrighty, and this particular site does have a one-time non-refundable entrance exam fee of just $39. You see right there. Okay, this is the only one of the four that I'm going to show you total that you have to pay a fee to get through their exam. Okay. International applicants, we do accept applications from non-U.S. applicants. And it says if PayPal, which they use, all of these sites going to use PayPal, is not, but if it's not available in your country, no matter where you're at, it says we can pay you through Swift, Payoneer, and Western Union there. So some of you guys that are over in the other countries outside the U.S., you can use Payoneer website to get paid with, okay? Alright, and then it goes on and talks about California applicants and then contractor versus employee. If you wanted, you could actually become an employee with this site. But it's probably better just to stay as an independent contractor. And so on and so forth. Because who wants to be an employee, right, when you have a set schedule and so on and so forth. It's better to be a contractor. That's your choice on that. Alright, that's site number 2, guys. And then the third site we're going to come to over here is dailytranscription.com. You see it here in the address bar up here, dailytranscription.com. Make sure you write that down on a piece of paper as well, or into your notepad and save it. At this site right here, you can benefits of working with a daily transcriptionist: flexibility, create your own schedule, work where and whenever you want to. Assignments come to you paid weekly. We pay higher rates than our competitors, and many more. Their rates are starting at 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute. Okay, and then you can receive training here, feedback and coaching, and collaborate with like-minded other people that are doing on here to help increase your knowledge and understanding and get you better and better at this so that you can make even more money. But look here, it says we don't guarantee a specific amount of work per day or week, but our top transcriptionists make anywhere from $250 to $950 per week, guys. Take an average there of about $500 or so. Now, between those three sites, Transcriptionme, 1888typeitup.com, and this site, now you're looking at about $1,200 per week, guys. Per week. See that? Per week. Now, who they're looking for: stay-at-home moms, fathers, students, part-time teachers, writers, academics, or anyone who wants to supplement their income. It says you must be a highly detailed individual who's committed to perfection. Independent workers who can meet strict deadlines, professional, novice, and beginners are welcome to apply. So whether you have some experience in this or not, doesn't make any difference. You can come over and take some action on this website. And you see right there, just between these three websites, guys, we're already over $1,000 per week. Okay? How do you get started? You click on the position you want and apply at the right side of the navigation bar on the page, and then you'll be expected to pass a skills assessment test and so on, and it's free to do that. And then some of the frequently asked questions down here. It says, do you provide training? Yes, we do. We provide training video, style guides, and procedure documents, as well as many practice jobs as you request. And can I apply if I do not live in the U.S.? To apply as a transcriptionist, you must reside in the United States or Canada. Now, but if you don't, they will take you if you know a second language besides English. If you know a foreign language, you can get on with this company. So yes, anywhere in the world, you can do this. Alrighty. It says, how do I get paid? Daily Transcription pays weekly by check only. This site here will mail you a check straight to your house. unless you live outside the U.S. or Canada, other payment arrangements can be made. So possibly through Payoneer. You can always check that out with their customer service. Alrighty guys, so between these 3 sites, we're already up over $1,000 per week. But hang on, we're not done yet. We still got one more to go here. The next site that we're going to check out here for this transcription work is right here. GoTranscript.com. You see it there in the address bar. Write that down or save it on your computer. GoTranscript.com. And you come over to this website, Transcription Jobs, available worldwide, guys. Worldwide. They even have a little video that talks about it here. And then what they pay is up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. Okay? Average earnings per month are 150, but you can work your way up to the top monthly earnings of $1,215 per month. Break that down, that's about another what? About another $400 per week. Add that on top of the $1,200 we're already at. Now we're looking at $1,600 per week, guys. Alright, I told you originally on my title of the video and in my thumbnail, it's $1,000 per week. But as you can see, if you take action and come over here and sign up to all 4 of these websites and work for all 4 of them, you can make up to about $1,500 per week. Guys, that's pretty good money. That is pretty good money right there. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I wanted to show you this today, and I hope you come over here and you take action and you sign up for these 4 sites. Transcribeme.com, 1-888-typeitup.com, and then over here dailytranscription.com, and then finally GoTranscript.com website. Sign up, take action, get involved with these companies, and make pretty doggone good money. Alrighty? Well guys, that's what I had for you today. Give me a like on this video if you got some value out of this, and don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you want to quit fooling around with these jobs like this and these little smaller things like this, and you want to get out of your 9-to-5 job that you get up and have to go to every day that you're sick and tired of, then you want to reach down there below at the top of my description and hit where it says mentorwithkev.com. Click on that, come on over, get signed up on my list, and check out the business opportunity at the back of my funnel where you get a chance to meet Dave Sharp, who is the owner and CEO of the legendary marketer powerful business building platform, and you can get your business set up for just the cost of a cup of Starbucks coffee in 15 days or less, and have an opportunity to be able to make up to $4,000 in just one day. Alrighty guys, come on over and check that out. I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.